In the vast, endless darkness of the cosmos, there was once nothing but cold emptiness and scattered clouds of cosmic dust. But 4.6 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. A spark. A collision. A dance of fire and stone that gave birth to the only home we've ever known, planet Earth. And today, as we celebrate Earth Day, let's journey back to where it all began, to witness the incredible, violent, beautiful birth of our planet. Long before Earth existed, our solar system was a raging storm of dust, ice, and gas, circling around a newborn star we call the Sun. Massive clouds collided, fused, and shattered, forming a swirling disk known as the protoplanetary disk. From this cosmic debris, tiny grains of dust clumped together, forming larger and larger rocks, called planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. About 4.54 billion years ago, amidst this chaos, one of these growing worlds started taking shape, a molten, hellish sphere of fire and metal. This was the infant Earth. For millions of years, the young Earth was bombarded by asteroids and comets, its surface boiling, reshaping, and cooling. And then, a cataclysmic event. A planet-sized object, we call Theia, collided with Earth, blasting molten rock and debris into orbit. From this debris, the Moon was born, forever changing Earth's destiny. This event stabilized Earth's tilt, calmed its violent wobble, and set the stage for the birth of oceans, weather, and life itself. As Earth cooled, vaporized rock turned into rain. For centuries, it poured, forming vast oceans. Volcanic gases mixed with water vapor, creating Earth's first atmosphere, thick, toxic, and alien. But within these oceans, life was about to spark. 3.8 billion years ago, in the depths of Earth's oceans, simple molecules assembled, creating the first living cells. Life had begun. These ancient beings transformed our planet, releasing oxygen, changing the sky from crimson to blue, giving rise to the rich, living world we see today. Earth has been a planet of constant change. Supercontinents formed and broke apart. Volcanoes reshaped land. Ice ages came and went. Ancient oceans vanished. Entire species rose and fell. But through it all, Earth endured. Just a tiny fraction of Earth's history ago, humans appeared. From ancient caves to towering cities, from stone tools to spacecraft, we have become the caretakers of this world. But with great power, comes great responsibility. Today, on Earth Day, we remember our planet's incredible journey, and the fragile future we hold in our hands. From stardust, to life, to consciousness. We are part of this magnificent story, not its masters, but its stewards. And it's up to us to protect, restore, and cherish the only home we've ever known. Earth. This planet, our planet, is a miracle. Let's keep it that way. Happy Earth Day.